Hi, welcome to Candwick Traders YouTube channel. This is your Shyam, and today we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic, that is Fibonacci numbers or Fibonacci sequence. Many of you is using the Fibonacci retracement to find out the support and resistance levels on any stock or index, right? So we'll go and we'll try to find out the deep what is numbers, and how to make entries and exits. How do we can use the in trading, and what all about the numbers we all know we are going to learn now. So what is basically Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where a number is the addition of the last two numbers starting with 0, 1. What does it mean? 0, if you add these two numbers, the third one will come. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and same way 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 8 3 13. So what does it mean? What is it indicating? Well, Fibonacci numbers is don't have any specific formula. Rather, it is a number sequence where the numbers to have certain relationship with each other. It's simple terms. Fibonacci retracements, there are horizontal lines on a chart that indicates the areas of support and resistance. Generally in trading, we use that Fibonacci to find out the support and resistance basically. Okay, the Fibonacci spiral and the golden ratio. What is that? The Fibonacci sequence is often visualized in a graph such as the one of the header of the article. Each of the squares illustrates the area of the next number in the sequence. The Fibonacci spiral is then drawn inside the squares by connecting the corners of the boxes. So it's really a little bit confusion, right? So we will see in the graphic picture. Okay, this is pay attention, guys. This is box number 1, right? Okay, if we copy this same box and the one with 1, so I have a two boxes. Okay, if I add the same boxes, will get this second box. Okay, if I add 1 plus 2, and we get third box. Okay, if we add B plus C, that means 2 plus 3 will get 5 number, and 3 plus 5 8. So here what they are doing is it's connecting all the corners of the boxes, all the corners. If you can see this, from this corner to this corner, from this corner to this, so on. So this is basically the Fibonacci spiral and the golden ratio. Okay, and who is Fibonacci? He is named as Leonardo Bonacci, and alias Fibonacci. He is a 11th century mathematician. So I'm not going into deep about him. You can find out in a lot of Google and YouTube videos also. And Fibonacci is everywhere. If you see these sunflower, so this is a ratio. We have seen the squares, right? So the same kind of a method, this will be arranged on all the petals. If you see the apple also, it will be number of 5 seeds will be there in the middle. And if you see some of the flowers, most of the flowers will be petals are 3 5 8, something like that. So it will be in nature, in everywhere. Actually, you can see here the sail and the sunflower and human face. Even pyramids also is having the same ratio, which is Fibonacci. And all the ancient buildings and all the structures and all that stuff and everything. If you see the human body parts also, so we can see this. Okay, so Fibonacci in trading, this is how it looks like. I've already plotted in the Fibonacci, so we can see the numbers here. So how to draw and how to find the entries and exits, we'll see later. Okay, so this is basically the numbers which we are taking as a support and resistance here. Okay, so from point A, we can call it as a point A, and to B. This is a swing low, okay, lower point of the price, and this is the higher point of the price. Okay, when we when we drag the indicator, Fibonacci indicator, from this point to this point, we'll get these numbers, and whenever the prices retraces at this level, we can find the better entries at these levels. Okay, so we'll see how to draw in uptrend and downtrend also, and how to find entries and exits also, and I'll show you a Fibonacci magic also. Don't skip the video. Let's go to the chart. Okay, this is already I've drawn the Fibonacci for, so these are basic zero the chart. Okay, you have to go for Fib retracement tool. So this is the swing high and this is the swing low. So I am taking from point A to point B. Okay, and I am extending it. So this is the basic thing how to draw on the charts. It's a daily. You can take it works on larger time frames, longer time frames like daily, weekly, and also 1 hour, 4 hours also. You can use in intraday also. Will show you how to use that. In these you can ignore the 618 and 382, 236 and 786 also. Mainly you have to concentrate on the 50% retracement. Okay, most of the traders in the worldwide, whether you take the stocks or index or commodity or whatever, they feel that 50% retracement is works like magic, and they'll do with the 50% only. Okay, why the 50% is that the main benefit of the retracement is that we can get a better prices, and we can check whether that up move will sustain at that level or it will come down. Then we can decide at the entries also at 50% and with a small reasonable stop loss. So whenever the security or any market or stock is going upward direction, we can wait for the healthy retracement. Why healthy retracement means, if they are somebody like 100 people or bought nifty at here, okay, they should book the profit rate. They should book at some time, right? Once they book it at this level, definitely the price will come down for the any stocks. So automatically, if stocks is coming down, then index also automatically will follow that. So this is the retracement. This is the healthy retracement. Then we can find these support levels 50%, and with the help of candlesticks we can take the entries. Okay, so if we see the bullish engulfing or doji, then followed by the green candle, bullish candle, then we can take that. In stocks we can use the volume indicator, and some of the your favorite indicators, some moving averages also we can use, super trend, something like that we can use. We can take the support also with the other indicators, and with that we can take the entries by using the levels with the Fibonacci. Okay, and then now we'll see how to take entries and keep the stop loss also in these. Okay, with the same chart, nifty bank nifty daily chart. So we'll mainly consider 50% is a important levels, right? So whenever the prices are coming to test at this level, this is our entry level, and what is the stop loss? We can keep it just 5 to 10 points buffer, or else before the swing low. For this case, this will be stop loss, and this will be stop loss. And again, if it is coming for retesting, so it's not even touched actually. So probably we might take, or not take. Let's not discuss about that. So first, this will be first target and this will be second target. Okay, then in the downside also the same thing actually. It's not able to go up, break this as a resistance level, so we can take the trade, short trade, and the swing high or previous candle high will be the our stop loss. Okay, this will be our stop loss, and we can continue. So I promise you that I'll show you a magic thing. Come on, let's see for that. So we have seen the daily time frame, right? So now we'll check it out for the 5 minutes short on intraday. It will work for Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So it will not work in two conditions. What are those conditions? Are if it is a huge gap up or gap down, it will not work. So if it is in the same level or below 100 200 points, then it will work. So let's see, it's a gap down. No, it's almost same level. Let's check. So what you'll do is same the fib retracement option, and connect the point A to high, point B, and extend it. Okay. So we have taken on 28th February till 29th high. So it's already gapped up and again retracing the same levels. So 50%. So you know what to do at this time. So since from the starting onwards, we are learning the same thing actually. And this is the stop loss. That's it. Is it not magic? Yes, it will be magic. You just practice, then you will get the confidence on that. Okay, so I've taken on 21st. So this will be high and this will be low. So it's again retraced at 38.2. Okay, we can take it as 50% is a very important level, and that is called as a confidence zone. There is no doubt at all. But in intraday you can use these levels also. For somebody it will work, somebody it will not work. Let's not discuss about that. Let's find out what is the best thing works for you. So this is about all Fibonacci. If you have any doubts and comments or any queries, please comment in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Your Shyam, Candwick Trader. Thank you. Bye.